This is how to find the National Probate Calendar on Find My Past. So going down to quick links and all records sets and start typing probate. And if we scroll down the list, we can see England and Wales probate calendars 1858 to 1995 browse. We click on that. They're not fully indexed, so you can't just type a name in, unfortunately. So you have to select a surname. So I'm just going to select G. And it says 138 results. So when you click on there, it tells you the number of images for each of these record sets, if you like. So I'm just going to pick one of these. So the earlier records, we click on the images on the right hand side there, you get a bit more information than the later ones, I think. This is wills from 1868. This covers the whole of England and Wales. So Henry Gabble of 4 Glasshouse Street, Regent Street. So this is St James's, Westminster, effects under £800. If we scroll down that page, we can see the different people there. We've got Southampton, Middlesex. If we go back to that list, if we pick a more recent one, let's pick 1970. We can see that there is a lot less information. It tells you where the probate was granted, what was the value of the estate, and their address too, and when they died, I think, as well. Yes, it does. So again, this covers the whole of England and Wales.